Hello, my name is Prajakta Yadav. I am a student of Britsing Training Center. Today I am going to discuss a technical topic about benefit risk assessment. So let's start with the topic. Benefit risk assessment is a critical process in healthcare that evaluates the positive effects, that is, benefits, of a medical product or intervention against its potential adverse effects. This process ensures that medical products are safe, effective, and suitable for public use while enabling healthcare providers and patients to make informed decisions. So, what is benefit risk assessment? So, benefit risk assessment involves systematically analyzing the advantages and disadvantages of a medical product or treatment. Benefits: positive outcomes such as symptoms relief, cure, improved quality of life, or survival extension. Risk: potential adverse effects include side effects, complications, or harm caused by the product. This assessment is dynamic, evolving throughout the product life cycle from preclinical research to post-market surveillance. Importance of benefit risk assessment. Patient safety. Ensure that medical products provide more significant benefits than harm when used as intended. Regulatory decisions. Regulatory agencies rely on benefit risk assessment to approve, restrict, or withdraw products. Clinical decision making helps healthcare providers recommend treatments based on individual patient profile. Public trust. Transport benefit risk assessment build trust in healthcare systems and regulatory bodies. Stages of benefit risk assessment. Preclinical assessment focuses on identifying risk in animal studies or in vitro experiments. Ensures the product is safe enough to progress to human trials. Clinical trials evaluates benefits and risk in humans through phases: phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. In phase 1, safety and tolerability is checked. In phase 2, efficacy and side effects is checked. And in phase 3, comprehensive benefit risk evaluation in larger population. Regulatory review. Regulatory agencies assess benefit risk profiles before approving products for public use. Agencies like FDA, EMA, and WHO use rigorous methodologies to ensure safety and efficacy. Post-marketing surveillance continues assessing benefit risk after a product enters the market, utilizes adverse event reports, observational studies, and registries to monitor safety. Methods of benefit risk assessment. Qualitative assessment relies on expert judgment to weigh benefits and risks. Advantages: flexible and adaptable to various scenarios. Challenges: subjective and prone to individual bias. Quantitative assessment definition uses mathematical models to calculate benefit risk ratios. Methods: number needed to treat, number of patients required to treat to achieve one beneficial outcome, number needed to harm, number of patients required to treat before one adverse event occurs. Risk benefit ratio compares the probability of benefits to risk. Semi-quantitative assessment combines qualitative judgment with numerical data for a more balanced approach. Framework for benefit risk assessment. Proactual framework, a structured method for decision making. P. Problem definition. O for objective identification. A for alternative evolution. C for consequences analysis. T for trade-offs assessment. URL uncertainty, risk tolerance, linked decisions. Benefit risk action team framework focuses on visualizing and comparing benefits and risk using predefined criteria. Multi-criteria decision analysis assigns weights to various benefits and risk to calculate an overall score. Factors influencing benefit risk assessment: patient characteristics, age, gender, genetics, comorbidities, and preferences can affect the benefit risk profile. Severity of condition: for life-threatening diseases, higher risk may be acceptable if benefits outweigh them. Availability of alternatives: the process of safer or more effective options impacts decision making. Real world data: data from actual clinical use provides insights into long term risk and benefits. Examples of benefit risk assessment in practice: vaccines benefits: prevent infectious diseases, protect public health. Risk: mild side effects, for example fever, soreness, and rare severe reactions like anaphylaxis. Medications, for example statins for lowering cholesterol, benefits: reduces heart attack and stroke risk. uh, Risk: muscle pain, liver enzyme elevation. Medical devices, for example pacemakers, benefits: improves heart rhythm and quality of life. Risk: surgical complications and device malfunctions. Challenges in benefit risk assessment: data limitations, insufficient or low quality data can skew assessments. Subjectivity: personal biases may influence qualitative assessment. Uncertainty: long term risk or rare adverse events may not be evident during initial evaluations. Variability: different populations or subgroups may experience varying levels of benefits and risk. Future directions in benefit risk assessment. First, for artificial intelligence and machine learning, use of AI to analyze large datasets or patterns and trends. Real world evidence: increased reliance on data from electronic health records, registries, and patient report outcomes. Patient centric approaches: engaging patients in the assessment process to align with their values and references. Global collaborations: harmonizing assessment standards across regulatory agencies and worldwide. Benefit risk assessment is a cornerstone of modern healthcare and regulatory science. It ensures that medical products provide maximum benefits with manageable risk, fostering innovations and improving patient outcomes. So, today we discussed all about the benefit risk assessment. Thank you for listening. Thank you again.